How to change your display name on the REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to change your display name on the REDnote app. Your display name is how others see you on the platform, so let's make sure that it's just the way you want it. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open up the REDnote app and make sure to log into your account. And once you are logged in, you'll just have to access your profile page. Tap on the profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. This will bring you to your profile page. On your profile page, look for this profile option. Just tap on it to edit your profile near the gear icon. And now you just have to find your display name, which is right on top. Just tap on it. And this is where you can update your name. You can include up to 24 characters, as you can see here. Now once you update your name, it could include 2 to 24 characters, excluding invalid characters such as these ones mentioned right here. And once you enter your username like this, tap on the save button on the top right. This is the most important step because it won't save automatically unlike other settings. So just tap on save. Now your name will be updated to the way you want. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Now others will see you by this your display name. I'll catch you guys on the next one.